What exactly is lead generation in digital marketing? In the world of online marketing, a lead can mean numerous things, but most people understand that it refers to gathering contact information about potential customers. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about what is lead generation in digital marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This information can be collected by using any number of methods, but in this video, we will concentrate on one particular method, obtaining leads by social networking. So what exactly is the lead generation by social networking? Lead generation through social networks is perhaps the most prolific and powerful method in use today. It is also probably the most underutilized marketing tactic. Why is this so? The reason that many marketing tactics aren't utilized is that very few people use them. So why don't more people utilize lead generation marketing tactics? It's largely due to the fact that most people know nothing about social networking and how it works. Lead generation through social networking requires an understanding of online channels and how they work. This is because social media sites are unique because they are used so frequently. This means that people are constantly chasing on these channels. As such, there are far more opportunities for businesses to obtain leads through inbound marketing tactics such as video marketing and video advertising than with digital marketing channels. Here's why. What is lead generation in digital marketing? The process of gaining leads through paid advertising and online channels is done through paid ads placed right on the top of the page, or right next to the more popular content. These paid ads have links attached that hyperlink back to your website. When someone clicks on your link, they go directly to your website. There's a great deal of SEO pulling power behind this type of online channel and is one of the best strategies available for generating leads. What is lead generation in digital marketing? The process of driving highly qualified traffic to your site is done through social media marketing strategies such as social media advertising. It is done in a number of ways, such as creating high-quality content that encourages interaction between users and engaging with them in meaningful conversations. Through paid advertising and online channels, businesses can increase their brand awareness by creating a presence on social media marketing platforms. This strategy helps companies increase their traffic, which in turn helps generate leads. What is lead generation in digital marketing? Paid advertising is used as a means of capturing leads through search engine optimization, but the process is more about capturing the attention of a specific target audience and encouraging them to act upon your message. This is done through content that targets the audience, such as news, entertainment, or current events, along with social media marketing strategies, such as sharing a blog entry or engaging in discussion forums. What is lead generation in digital marketing? This type of marketing allows you to create an online campaign that helps you capture a lead's contact information. This information is then used to contact the target audience over a series of communications that are designed to help the business owners promote their business. Some options include email campaigns, webinars, teleseminars, teleconference calls, and webinars. These methods help businesses gain exposure, drive sales, and encourage customer loyalty. What is lead generation in digital marketing? Many techniques and tactics have been created to help business owners obtain leads. Some popular strategies include buying targeted leads, generating leads by outbound marketing, and using inbound lead generation tactics. Outbound marketing involves the use of print, broadcast, and internet media to spread information about a product or service. Inbound leads involve the use of telemarketing and other non-traditional methods to obtain leads. Thanks for watching my video about what is lead generation in digital marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.